Hello people, my name is Rong and I'm pleased to introduce myself through this video, although I cannot deliver this message face to face to you in class. So I grew up in Taiwan and lived in a big city named Taipei for 16 years. Since Taipei is a really big city, so I was a city boy then. But in fall 2019, I came to the United States for the first time as a high school exchange student in Nebraska and lived in a rural town named Shickley. Then I turned into a country boy instead. At a high school in Nebraska, I used to be an FFA member learning agriculture knowledge. Finally, I discovered my interested major for the future by engaging in agriculture events. For now, this is my third quarter at Green River College, and I major in food science, which is a really unique major compared to most classmates who are majoring in computer science at Green River College. I knew the purpose of taking public speaking for most students is the credit for transferring. Still, I believe the class is necessary to improve my presenting skills and apply them in either entrance audition or work in the future. After the 2-year program at Green River College, my short-term goal will be transferring to UC Davis or other universities with professional food science degrees to extend my learning journey. My long-term goal is pretty practical, which is making plans and research to achieve financial independence and retire as soon as possible. And I believe college students should learn some financial knowledge while their time is still available, or it will be too late after graduating from college. Although the public speaking class is online this quarter, but it will still be adequate to enjoy the joy of speech through recording. And that is all my presentation. I hope you have a great day and see you at the next presentation.